What's up everybody, welcome back to the Metal Dojo. And in our last post we took a look at the minor scale in the 4th position and we chose the key of E. So today we're going to be taking a look at that. And this guitar is in the standard tuning of E, and this will also work with any other standard tuning. So if you're in D, C, whichever you choose, this will work with any standard tuning. So without further ado, let's take a look. And as you will tell, it starts out on the 7th fret, which is right here. And then we go to the 8th fret, which is going to be a half step. So half step means you don't skip any frets. And the next one is going to be a full step. And that means you skip one. So what that's going to sound like is something like this. And that again is in E standard. And so I'll show you why exactly we chose E standard. And that is for this simple reason right here. These 3 notes will keep you in tune with this note, which is your open E. And in metal, you will notice that the open E is pretty metal, and it's part of it. It's very integral. So today let's take a look at how we could use just those 4 notes to make up some music. And so there we go, pretty simple, and using that open E makes the world of a difference. So that's just the starting point there. And if you want to get a little bit more metal with it, of course you can add in your power chords. If you're not sure what a power chord is, today just follow along with the shapes. We'll take a look at what it actually is a little bit later, but for today you can just assume the metal position and you use that to place it right on your fretboard. You start with this note right here, so that's your note, still the same note from the diagram. But we're just gonna add this one on to the next string, which is your A string. And what that's gonna give you is a... And so that's the way I like to play it with these 2 fingers. But of course you can also use the lesser seen, but also acceptable metal symbol. And you can use that just the same. And so if you add in those power chords, you're going to get a nice powerful sound, of course. And so that's how you make some metal music with that. And of course you can use your power chord way up here, which is just your open E power chord. A lot of Metallica stuff really utilized this open E, and they really utilized it in the metal way. So again, just use your power chords, take a look at that scale we have there, and of course you can use that for any type of music. And it just matters what comes out when you play. So sometimes people will come out and it will sound metal, like... And sometimes it will be a different type of metal, whatever you like. And basically any of those notes that we shared on that scale won't be wrong as long as you're utilizing the open E and your scale or whatever you're using revolves around that open E. All of these notes are going to be right. And of course, if you want to deviate from that, you think another note sounds good, totally go for it. There's no rules in rock and roll. So if you want to deviate at all, go ahead, feel free. This is just a base to start you out, to give you a little bit of knowledge so that you're not completely wondering where to go, and it'll just kind of give you the general direction. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down in the comments. I'll try and answer everybody's question as much as I can, and I hope this helps you. Welcome back to the dojo, and if y'all have anything else you need, you just let me know. Anything that you want to learn, just give me a holler and maybe I'll make a video about it in the future. But today, I hope that helps you in your metal journey. Thanks again, guys.